Hello, students. This is Miss Mishu, and here are some instructions for your gasoline expense spreadsheet. So please open this document up here, which is located in Google Classroom, and also open up your financial plan, spreadsheet. And on your financial plan spreadsheet, you need to create a new sheet. So click on the plus button. That's going to create a new sheet for you and rename that gasoline right here. Okay. And then you're going to create the spreadsheet right here. So fill in all of this information. Remember to use a 14-point font. You want to add grid lines. You highlight the area here and go to grid lines. That's going to put those grid lines in. And let me go over the formulas for you. So let's just assume that we travel 350 miles in a week. So we need to figure out how much you would travel in a month. So there are 4 weeks in a month. So that's going to be equals B1 times 4. Okay, and assume that you get 30 miles a gallon. We need to figure out how many gallons you need. So if you travel 1,400 miles and you get 30 miles to gallon, you got to divide. So that's going to be equals B2 divided by, which is the diagonal, B3. So you'll be needing 46.7 gallons. If this comes out large like this, you can decrease the decimals up here. And now we need to look up the cost per gallon of gasoline. This has gone down a lot, so we need to go to gasbuddy.com. And then once you log in there, you want to go to Find Gas and go to Search. I'm going to type in York zip code, so 03909. And we'll be able to find the prices. And again, they've gone down a lot, so we're going to use the Shell price. We're going to take a screenshot of that, Command-Shift-4. Screenshot that. We're going to insert that into your gasoline spreadsheet in column C. So go to Insert, Image over Cells. Here we go. I'm going to type in $1.99 for the gasoline. And then we need to figure out how much to budget. So it would be the number of gallons you need times the cost per gallon. So that's going to be equals B4 times B5. Here we go. So I'm going to show you how to link this to your budget. This is located in cell B6. So go to your budget, find gasoline, which is a variable expense. And up here, you're going to type in equals the name of the sheet that you're copying from, gasoline, and then the column in the row that you're copying from. So that's going to be in cell B6. So $B, $6. And it'll turn orange, and that means it's linking correctly. So equal gasoline, exclamation point, $B, $6. And that's going to link the amount for gasoline into your spreadsheet here. So I hope this helps. Reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day.